Hey guys on YouTube, it's Laundro-Matt back again. Sorry it's been a bit of a while between videos, but I've been incredibly busy with work, so anyway, we're back again. So today I've got for you this National washing machine. It is a compact washing machine, model number NA9450PN. If you have a look at it in comparison to a standard size LG front loader, excuse me, you can see that it's the same height. These National machines, I believe, were made by Hitachi. So if you look back at my Hitachi videos from way back when, you'll see that there are some similarities in the control panel and the styling. Obviously mine was branded Hitachi. And yeah, so here we go. But yeah, this one's branded National. Made in Japan. This particular model has the pulsator instead of the full-size agitator wash action. It's also got a recirculating lint filter here. And yeah, quite a small capacity. I would say it's only about 4 kilos. You know, I've found that you probably really have to use the highest water level to get the best results out of this machine, otherwise it can be quite a tangler. But yeah. It's got an adjustable foot, so you've got a little screw down there that you can turn and it will level that foot for you. Got a scrubbing bit here if you want to scrub any dirty socks or collars or anything. You can set this up as a portable machine and actually have it hooked up to your kitchen sink if you need to. That's what this one fill hose operation refers to, which is kind of cool. So it's basically a portable machine as well. You've got 3 water levels, low, medium, high, 3 wash temperatures, hot, warm and cold. You have a drip dry selector, so you can either do a full cycle or it will hold at the orange part of the dial before spin, and you will be able to remove any drip dry items. You've got a spin selector you can either have woolens and synthetics or cottons, and same for your wash selector. You can either have woolens, synthetics or cottons and linens, which is the wash selector for the regular is a much more intensive wash action. Keeps the pulsator running in one direction longer, instead of stopping and changing it up a lot. So yeah. Your control dial. So you've got these zones denoted by auto wash. That's basically just the wash cycle. So I believe the normal wash cycle here is a 12-minute wash, followed by a drain, a deep rinse, a drain, a spin cycle, a final deep rinse, drain, final spin. The economy, this is called the economy cycle. You can't quite see that, but the auto wash section on this is a 6-minute wash, followed by a drain, deep rinse, drain, deep rinse, drain, and final spin. So the difference in the economy is that it's a shorter wash and it doesn't do an interim spin. It just does 2 deep rinses. And up here you've got a wash only section where it is basically just a wash and soak. So it's a 12-minute wash followed by, it just turns off, so it's just soaking. Alright, well, we're going to get this loaded. I've got sort of 4 towels here that do need washing. I'm going to wash them on a warm wash. And yeah, we'll see how this thing goes. Okay, we'll load it up. So the detergent today is just going to be Ariel. Just getting these bags of Ariels from a European shop near me. So we're just going to go in with 2 scoops of that. 100 mils. Fine. Alright, yeah, so I'm going to go regular wash, regular spin, high water level, warm wash. Alright, I'm going to turn this around to the 12-minute portion of the auto wash. and start, pull to start. Alrighty, I'll come back when it's filled. Nearly filled. It's fairly powerful. Once it picks up speed down the bottom, it's yeah, you wouldn't be able to wash a hell of a lot in this. I mean, that's 4 bath towels, and I probably could have gone 1 less in that for a better wash action, but it's, you know, it's doing the job. You see, there's a huge amount of water that comes through this. If I took this off, probably helps the wash action a little bit not having that on. Clinked into drain, it makes a hell of a clang. If you can hear it, listen to this. So it makes a heck of a clang when it goes into drain. But that's the drain solenoid opening. What it's actually doing, it's not the drain solenoid, sorry, it's the tub lock. So when it goes into drain, it locks the tub. So you can see now that it's in sort of a spin mode. It's not going to spin on this rinse, but it will, yeah. Whenever it goes into drain, it locks the tub, so it's ready for spin. First rinse. First rinse. I would say the spin speed is about 750, 800, something like that. Finishes the spin cycle, it coasts down, so it just cuts the it cuts the power to the motor and just lets it coast. And then catches it with the brake. Again, second rinse. So they're about 2 minutes, these rinses.